Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies here today, and this question gets asked a lot. Can I change my closed loop to an open loop, or my open loop to a closed loop? What we have sitting right here is a open loop system. As the air comes into the machine, it flows straight back and goes to our air solenoid on the back. And we actually have a garden hose hookup where this machine's getting fresh water. If you're wanting to convert this machine to a closed loop, the first thing you're gonna get is you're gonna get the two basins and you're gonna get your pump. And when it comes in, you should have a small air hose already hooked up to the diaphragm pump. You're going to receive this fitting, which is where you take your hose fitting off. You may actually have to cut the end of the hose to get it off. They don't actually pull out very easily. And then you're gonna take this small barb and actually put it down inside of the hose. And we're gonna tighten. Now on your diaphragm pump, there should be one hole that is still open on your pump. This clip is what locks it in place. So once you insert that hose all the way, you're gonna push that clip up and you should hear it click. If it doesn't click, it's not locked in place. Your bottom tank, you're gonna fill up to about an inch from the top with water. Your top tank, you're gonna fill up right to the overflow pipe here on the inside. Now we've got to get air to that pump. And in order to get air to the pump, we're gonna have to cut this line. And you're gonna have this piece that comes with your closed loop set. So these are push to connect, and all you have to do is push this line in and it locks in place. This was our main line coming in. This is the other side. We'll push that in and connect it. This piece actually has a small adapter. The adapter is for the smaller air line that plugs in here. You have now successfully converted your open loop to a closed loop by those couple simple steps. And that's all you need to convert your machine over. If you still have questions, give me a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.